Today I want to show you the top 3 high scores of the GeoGuessr AI in its current state. The map on the top right shows the results of the last round, the red dot is the guess of the AI and the black dot is the actual location. Usually you see this in the game after each guess, but with the AI we don't see this. On the left side you see GeoGuessr itself, and the map on the bottom right shows you how strong the model predicts certain locations. Both maps are updated after each guess. While we are watching the game, let me tell you a bit about the recent changes. So in the old version, the whole world was divided into 1024 different tiles, and the AI guessed in which of these tiles the location might be. Around 1000 tiles are actually not that much, so for example parts of London and the Netherlands would be within one tile, so to increase the accuracy I divided the world for this version into a much smaller grid, into more tiles, so we have around 33,000 tiles, which allows the AI to learn the features of images on a much finer scale. Then I also got a lot of suggestions in the comments, but I didn't have the time to implement those yet. The only other major difference to the last version is that the last version was trained on around 40,000 rounds, while this one is trained on more than 100,000 rounds, which increases the accuracy by a lot as well. So currently the average score is around 15,000–16,000 points per game. One of the suggestions that I want to try out in the future is to actually use a pre-trained network and to include the country code as an input for the AI as well. I also want to make a short duel with the old version of the AI versus this one versus the one on pre-trained models to compare how they do in a duel. But for now, let's watch the second best game that the AI played so far. As you can see, the AI lost some points on this fourth round, but besides that it was quite a good run. Yeah, so this was the second best round so far with 23,400 points, which brings us to the current best game. The first round got a score of 4,865 points. On the top right map we can also see that the actual location and the prediction is overlapping again, and on the heat map we see that all the locations that the AI considered were mostly or were basically all in the US. Very good guess in the second round as well. You can see the locations overlapping again, even though here we have different locations that were predicted quite high. Then this one, pretty sure the AI here that it's in the northwest of the US. Then we have a quite accurate score in Japan as well. So currently 19,700 points. And yeah, the last one was 41 kilometers off, and the current high score is 24,590 points. If you want to see more on the GeoGuessr AI, click the subscribe button. And if you are curious about the development of the AI, there's another video linked in the description below.